يا أيها المتعلمون الكرام، كيف حالكم؟ أنا أتمنى أنكم بخير وعافية وسعادة. اليوم نحن سنتعلم عن القاعدة الأساسية العربية. اليوم نحن سنتعلم اسم العربية باعتبار النكرة والمعرفة من حيث النكرة والمعرفة. Hi guys, how do you do? I hope you guys are quite safe and sound. Guys, as I have told you and I have taught you in our previous video, in our previous class about some basic Arabic grammar. Today we are going to learn about Arabic noun. There are two types of noun in Arabic language. One is Marifa and second one is Nakira. Now look at the board. What are these? First of all, Arabic grammar part 2, noun. Noun means ism. Ismun means noun. Common noun, nakira. Common noun is called nakira. Signs of common noun. कॉमन नाउन की अलामतें यानी अलामतुन नकिरा. First a tanbin. First sign is tanbin. The tanbin. Second sign is names of objects and animals in Arabic language. Okay, when there is a name of an object like book, like chairs, and animals name like cow, tiger, all are these are nakira. All are these are common in Arabic language, and they will be common noun. Common noun will be translated by an. Common noun will be translated by an. A plus consonant, n plus vowel, like Kitabun, first sign I have told you that tanwin. So here Kitabun. At the last point, at the last alphabet, ba above tanwin. Tanwin abu. So as I have told you, tanwin is a sign of common noun in Arabic language. Look, Kitabun. Ba is getting tanwin. That means it's a common noun. So in Arabic language, you just look at the last alphabet of a noun. Then you can understand either the noun is common or proper. Okay. So kitabun, ba above tanwin, a book. It will be translated by a or an. Okay. When there is consonant b is consonant. That's why we are translating by a book. Here Filun, an elephant. Why? Because it's a vowel. This word is starting by a vowel. That's why we're translating an elephant. Okay, filun. It's a common noun. Why? Because lam, which is a last alphabet or last letter ending with tanwin, ending with double zamma. That's why it's a common noun. Ainun, nun is ending by tanwin. That's why it's a common noun. Sayyaratun. Okay, ta it's ending by tanwin. That's why it's a common noun. So basically you came to know that signs of common noun, tanwin, names of object and animals. Names of objects and animals. Okay, when they are without al. Okay, now if they are getting al, they will be proper noun. It's a criteria and standard of Arabic grammar. Now coming to proper noun. Proper noun is called ma'rifatun. Signs of proper noun. Person names, place names, all. Any common noun which are getting all. Okay, so it will be proper. Like and D will be translated by the or the. Why I'm telling the or the? If the is coming before consonant, it will be read like the. when the is coming before a vowel, it will be read like the. Okay, it's a rule of English grammar. But most of the time that people used to say the or the, there is no difference. Okay, but when are going to emphasize on a noun, okay, then you say the. Either it's coming before a vowel or a consonant. But the rule is that when the is coming before consonant, it will be read the. Okay, when the is coming before vowel, it will be read like the. Understand? Now, single vowel. Okay, the fifth sign is sign of proper noun. Single vowel. Single vowel. Okay, as we were talking about common noun. Okay, common noun will get tanween, double zamma, double fatha, double kasra. These are called tanween. But when zamma single, fatah single, and kasra single, these are called single vowel. Al-kitabu, 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 the book, al-kitabu, the book, al. So kitabun, there was kitabun in common noun, but here we are putting al. It's becoming proper noun. It is becoming proper noun. That's translation. The book. Al-filu, the elephant, the elephant. Okay, so there is coming before vowel. That's why we are reading here the elephant, the elephant. Okay. As-sayyaratu, as-sayyaratu, the car, the car, al-ainu, the eye, the eye. Guys, we're giving some example like babun, babun, burtuqalun, 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 babun, burtuqalun. These are common noun, means a door, burtuqalun and orange, orange. Now tell me how to change them into proper noun. Obviously you can change because you have learned. Okay, so we'll put al babu. Al babu means the door, the door. Now here al burtuqalu, al burtuqalu. Al burtuqalu means the orange, the orange. Okay, the orange. Now, most of the people used to say, how can we study Arabic language because Arabic language is very difficult? No, that matter is not so. If your concept is clear, like what's common noun here, from here, your Arabic grammar is being started. So you will have to learn and you will have to clarify your concept. Be clear in terms of concept. These are concept. Okay. So the person who is very clear in terms of concept, his Arabic language is very easy, he can speak. هيا بنا نتعلم اللغة العربية مع السيد عبد المهيمن المدرس والمدير لمعهد Interactive Language Classes الذي يدرس اللغة العربية والفرنسية والأوزبكية والتركية والفارسية والإسبانية. الحمد لله. So guys, I hope the video will benefit you a lot and the video will clarify your concepts. Your concept should be clear, and if I'm clarifying your concept, if my class is clarifying your concept, that would be an extraordinary successful for me. Thank you for having us and listening to us and watching our video. Guys, I would like to request you that subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and comment in our comment box. Thank you.